It pains me to do this. It pains me so. Okay, we gotta keep this neuron, guys. If we lose it again, I know I can spawn it back in now. So. Nope, 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 nope. Darn it! No! Please! Ah! Okay, that didn't work. Can you, like, leave? Oh gosh! It's the one with the sniper! Oh gosh. Oh hey, I can go to this echo maybe. Okay, nope, not going to the echo. Sorry! I am not without responsibility for her situation. But yeah, you did kinda... Bro was really thirsty. Pebbles did say he'd help me in any way I can. If you can. Okay, okay? That also just requires eating his brain, slightly. But he has enough of these, okay? Probably even more. And look, I made it in time. Record speed.
Hello everyone, and welcome back to Rain World Hunter, in which I am on a different laptop for this recording. I'm on my mom's gaming laptop. This is the best I was able to fix the microphone up. It might sound a little weird. I apologize in advance. But the plan for today is to make it through the exterior and past memory crypts at the very least. Which, if I recall, we're gonna need... We have enough karma to get through the first gate, to get out of the pebbles, right? And then I'm gonna try to get... We might need to get 2 shelters. Well, an exterior, but the ideal would be to just get to the other side of memory crypts all in one cycle. However, I doubt that. So, if we can make it to the very beginning, or the very end of exterior, the very end being the gate to memory crypts, or shaded Citadel, in one cycle, we're good. But if we can get to there in, like, 2 cycles, I'm okay with that, alright? As long as we have 10 cycles left for getting from shoreline to the subterranean, I'm good. You might hear me cough a good amount of times. I don't know what's up my ass, bro. Off we go! 5 people. I also turned on the expansion for, the Slugcat expansion on the laptop, which might mean there's some differences again, like, wherever I post the freaking, pearls thing, or whatever, right, there was, like, a gate near the echo in exterior, the one, like, on the top of 5 pebbles, and then it disappeared, and then I was testing a little bit before this, and I noticed that, while at Moon, because that's the last place I was, sorry, I lost track. When I was at Moon, like, the thing flooded, right after I slept. And then, like, I get out of there and it's actually, like, actively going down, and I was like, oh, kinda crazy. Very, very loud sounds in here that I still very, very don't like. Okay, this is a short cycle. We're gonna have to go fast. I just realized I have to go through this not only backwards, but without a... Oh gosh, okay. Nope! Hi. Without a glooby. Nope, no, 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 no. Nope, nope. Oh, I stabbed it. Small wins, small wins. Is there... Nope. Girl left, we're good. This is gonna be a little dangerous. Goodness gracious, okay. We're good, we're good, we're good. Okay. How much is the cycle left? Almost half, okay. For the next shelter we see, we'll have to grab. Eat fast. And I'm aware it's not your typical thing, Hunter, but we're in a rush, buddy, okay? Okay, half a cycle, we're good, we're good. Or we should be, okay, maybe, possibly. Cool, nice. This works, this works. This works in my favor. We're doing okay, we're doing okay. I haven't seen the Squidwards around here either. I am so stressed. Oh my gosh, guys. Okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're okay. We're good. We're good. Okay, yep. There's the rain thing, but I know where the shelter is. I know where the shelter is. We're good. We're good. Look at us. We're so much faster like this. We're good. We'll be okay. Nope. Oh, gosh dang it. No. We're okay. We're okay. Yes, I know. Oh gosh, I hate the cockroaches. Oh my god, the cockroaches! Oh my gosh! Goodness gracious. Oh my gosh. Sorry, hold on, I need a second. Oh, goodness gracious. I hate the drop roaches. That's what I'm gonna call them. They suck. You know, we somehow make it across from over there. We gotta keep a very keen eye out. But we avoid the lizards. We avoid the drop roaches. We make it over to that shelter. And then hopefully it's easier. I haven't seen many Squidwards. So maybe that's the part. You know? Winning. Small wins. My heart is pumping, bro. Nope. No! Get in a fight! Get in a fight! No, wait, those are X's. I'm screwed. Okay, leap lizards. Okay, well, not really attempt 2, it's more like attempt 3. The first time we were so close to that shelter! Man! This is not, I'm like debating again now if this was the easier or hard way. But I wouldn't have to deal with farmer rays and the luck, so. But it's also, this is just the quickest way to the moon. It's only like 2 areas. I've already locked into here. Unless I get a passage, I'm screwed. Cool. No! You kidding me? Are those X's? Those are, okay. Ugh. Give me a second. I gotta reevaluate. I gotta think. Is there another direction that I know of? I think memory crypts. It's lowest karma on both sides. So even if I'm low, I should be fine. If I hit that one shelter, I might be okay to just bolt my way down, depending on how many of the drop roaches there are. Because, you know, if I get out of the underhang, if I make it back to the topmost shelter in the underhang, I could probably run backwards and that'll be 2 cycles. Maybe. Hopefully. If I'm remembering correctly, at least, then I shouldn't have to worry about the bottommost gate. You know? Right? I'm on shelter 15, right? Right, so if we spend this one, hit that gate, that'll be 1. And if we get to the bottom one, that's 2. Hopefully, the one I'd like to do is to get all the way across memory crypts with just that other one. And then get out of here. Or get out of shaded. Get now, okay. Alright. Nope. Nope. No! Those aren't X's, are they? No, they aren't. I can still make it out of this. I think the biggest worry for me is if the gate out of... Oh my gosh. Holy crap, how did I make it out of that? That worked, I guess. How did I manage that, bro? Sorry, I'm not saying much at the moment. I'm like so like immediately panicked that I'm just like, okay, please just make it out of here. Just make it to that one shelter. And we're like most of the way there. But we have to go through the rest of the leg. Like, you know what I mean. Cool, okay. Most of the cycle is... Well, half the cycle is out, but it's not all the cycle. We've got a stick, we've got a ruby, we could be okay. We just gotta make it to that shelter. Okay? What the heck? What the heck? What the heck? What are they? No. We're making it out. Wow, we made it across. Okay, just no drop roaches in here, please. Oh, wait, what? What? Wait, no, this is supposed to be a regular shelter up here. What? I mean, okay, well, there is a shelter, so I'll take that. I'm gonna see what that is, like, real quick. But we're gonna go back onto what we're doing, okay? Okay, cool. Oh, I killed both the leaf lizard and the drop roach. I'm winning. Anyways, okay. That's the first part of our plan. Done. Well, that's one part, okay? We're one shelter out of the few I've been planning for. Now, what the genuine heck is up here? 5 pebbles. I see your little thing. You're over here. What's over here? A gate? The heck? Oh, but what's over here? But there's a new place. Oh, but really, you go down. But like, I haven't been here before. What if it goes somewhere? No. We're not. Could it hurt to check? No. We're not exiting. Oh my gosh, no. Okay. No, we have. Oh, that was a cool flip. Okay, we can have self-control. Okay. As curious as I am, we are just gonna keep on our journey. Alright. If that's for DLC scugs, because I have the expansion turned on, then we'll simply see them another time. Clearly. Yep, the leg. There's a red dude somewhere. Yep. What the heck? Holy crap, what the heck are you? What the heck are you? What are you? Simply not my problem! No! Okay, well, I don't think I'm dead yet. No, I'm not. I don't think. I can't tell. No, I'm not dead yet. I'm not dead yet. There's a chance! Let go of me! What do you mean, no? Oh, it's that. Of course, it's that lizard. It surely isn't. Guys, get in a fight with me! Get in a fight, no! Oh my gosh! It didn't do the thing. I was already dead. Never mind. I'm dumb. I'm so tempted to check out that gate though, but no. We have our goals. We will hit those goals. It's been 30 minutes for us to hit the first one. Okay. We gotta stay on track. No matter what might be up there. There's a lot of droppy thingies in here though. In the exterior as a whole is what I've realized. Things like to get the drop on you. Or, you know, stab you. Excluding from just me who wants to do the stabbing. Which I find I don't really like. Okay, leap lizard, hi. Bro's going the other direction. I could be okay. Something's down there. That dude fell. Nope. Hi. I'm like not here. Oh gosh, no. Nope. No, gosh. What's going on? No! What? Huh? What's going on? What happened to me? I wasn't dead. Oh, I'm not dead yet still. Leap and throw me by mistake, fool. Okay, never mind. Okay, but that was an easier run. Okay, we can totally make it. There's just a lot of those dudes, and try not to get their spit on you because I guess they numb you. Question mark. That's my current running theory at least. Or not, because that dude fell. Nope, that dude fell and died. I could have eaten you, but like, I can't drop my things, so I can't really. Nope. No! No! Literally, what are those things, though? Oh gosh, nope, okay. I could have lived that! Oh my gosh. Gosh dang it. Nope! Darn it! Am I alive? Trying to see if those X's stop moving. Those are X's. Okay. I'm so stressed. Holy crap. At least I'm decently sure I shouldn't need my karma to be high, like, at all, for the gate and memory grips. Dude! No. Gosh dang it. Nope, I heard two things. I'm dead. Well, I mean, like, I'm already at bottom karma at this point. And I'm pretty sure I don't need it to be any higher than that for the gate. Might as well see what this gate's about real quick. And just not save over here. Just so I can see. I can take a look-see. Because I don't need over here either. I can take a sneaky little peek. I can take a sneaky little peeksies. Surely. Just remember not to save when we're okay. Although I'm pretty sure this will just lead me all the way back up to 5 levels. I can take a little peek-see. Where is this? The Precipice. See, we can take a sneak little peek. Where does this go? There is in fact a shelter there. But see, we're not going to be saving in here because this isn't part of my journey. Where the heck am I? Nope. What the heck? Literally? Literally. Where? Oh, I know it says the Precipice, but like, what? Ha! Holy crap. I dropped my gloopy! Literally, where am I? Oh wait, my gloopy's over there. Oh, whatever. I genuinely don't understand. Give me back my gloopy. How do I... Does this go up? This does go up, okay. Oh. Well, that worked, I guess. Yeah, that's fine. Whatever. We're at the lowest karma anyways, and now I got to see what that area was, I guess. And it had practically nothing, so it was pointless. But look, we have a long cycle now. So we can take a little bit of time. Hopefully, maybe, possibly, question mark. Oh gosh. Nope, I'm not here. Hello, buddy. I'm not here. 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 Please. Please. You do not see me. You do not see me. You don't see me. Let me go. Oh, I killed it. Cool. Ah, goodness gracious! What the heck? I've got like wings! Uh-oh. I'm paralyzed. No! No! Get up! Get up! Get up, little skug! Get up! Get up, little skug! No! We're okay. Okay, it does just paralyze. I hate it here, actually. No. Look, at this point, I'll even settle for making it to the gate by memory crypts, okay? I am desperate. I am in need. And I realized I could be taking that other direction. Thanks, Lizard, for giving me this grandiose idea. I hate it here and I want to leave. Look, I am on a special mission, a mission for Moon. We're gonna give her back a thing with a bunch of slang keys, whatever that means. Slang's a transformer. Anyways, those things die in like one hit. They're scary, but they take one hit, okay? Small wins. Goodness gracious. They're all just there, bro. hey, free food. I'll take free food, bro. What? 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 Oh, come on. Am I dead? No, I'm not. I can still make this, guys. I can make it out of this. Get a fight! Get a fight! Fight something! Please, I beg of thee. Okay, you're not the one in there. It's kind of cringe, but we'll make do. Get in a fight! Get in a fight! Oh man, how long has it been? Almost 50 minutes. Wow. We gotta make it to the bottom. At least in this episode. Oh, the cycle's so short. You're exploding. Helpful. Thank you, whatever scavenger. There's no scavengers in here. I haven't seen a single scavenger ever in here. Why is there an exploding one in here, actually? Well, there was an exploding one up there, but that's more likely to have actual scavs up there, so. Scavengers are also a group of things. Oh my gosh. Holy crap. Uh-oh. Guys. I fear I'm paralyzed. But it's okay, because we made it out of here, buddy! Are we eating the gloopy? Did it kill it? Oh, hold on. Paralyzed. Ah! Usually one stick is good to kill it. Here we're good. You hardly give anything, bro. You look scared, you get nothing. You get like nothing. Gosh, what is the point of eating you then? We're killing you even. All alone on a late night? Gosh, you're pathetic. We made it, guys. We made it. There's just gotta be nothing else on the way down. And we have, okay, we do, we're good. Oh, it's just white lizard. It's just white lizard climb. Oh, guys. We made it. We made it. In the shortest cycle. And we killed the drop roach. We're good. Okay. Oh. I'm like kind of shaking. I'm going crazy actually. Another short cycle. Okay, there should be some centipedes on the other side of this, but yes, okay. We're good to go through the gate. We can attempt to get across memory crypts. Alright? And we're definitely gonna hit the shelter on the other side of that. 100%. Because I know there's no way I'm not gonna get through that again. Okay. We might have to use 3 cycles, depending on if I'm gonna get the echo or not. I might need to, depending on the gate. But, otherwise, we should be okay. Actually, I can probably check the gate real quick. Alright. Gate. I need at least 3. Okay. Yeah. Look, at least I don't have to climb up this to get out. Okay, I have to go down. That's much easier than going up. Because I doubt I can kill a Miros bird, or at least I doubt I can eat it. Immediately, bro. Oh my gosh. Why? My life is pain and suffering. Pain, agony, and suffering. Y'all seriously fighting over a centipede? Yeah, that was immediate. That wasn't. Oh, I don't know why I tried. Well, this is why I took that shelter. This is what I feared would happen. I don't think I need the Glooby anymore, but you know, just in case. I have to deal with a kind of not the best mic, but I say as I immediately get lag. But you know, it might not be too bad actually. The video might actually run well. I know, it's crazy. I never thought I'd see the day. Sorry, I thought something came up to grab me. I freaked out. Why? Why? Why do you hate me so? Stop glitching out and leave. Stop glitching out and leave. Please. No, why'd you get stuck? Why'd you get stuck? Oh my gosh, it was so close. Guys. Why? I don't deserve this. I'm just a cancerous little rat. Cancerous rodent. Oh my gosh, you ran. Holy crap, small wins, bro. I can't believe I was actually able to get past. And before I hit half the cycle. Honestly, my luck. Well, now it's half a cycle, but you know, it's crazy. Crazy world we're living in. I can make it across. What? What? What the heck? What? What? No. You're kidding me. You're kidding me. Third time's look, we're getting across memory crypts as soon as we do. That is the end of this episode. Okay. Hour and 8 minutes is a good recording. It's a decent recording. Oh gosh. Oh. Oh, it went through the thing. Good job, Loopy. You have a conscience, maybe, possibly, question mark. Oh yeah, I forgot to say, it is currently November 2nd, 2024 as of recording this. I stopped saying the dates and I realized that when I download the videos again, when, to this laptop, because this is my mom's gaming laptop that I have been using, right? That, sorry, I thought the shadow was something. What was I saying? I don't know how I made it through that, oh my gosh! Cool. Okay, I think this is the last section of memory crypts. Because it's probably taking longer because I'm taking the small pipes, but I genuinely don't care. As long as I make it to that thing and then I can be good. And I think this will probably be the shortest Rain World episode I've done. We're good! We made it across! We're okay. We're taking this shelter. And we're good. We're good. I'm stressed. I'm so stressed. But okay. We're gonna check the map first. Okay? And then I'm gonna make a plan. I might make an attempt. Yes, I want it with the hunter. Correct. We're in shaded? Yes. So, okay, we're in the shelter, right? So we need the sticks to get across and past the monster kelp, right? The laptop unplugged. Maybe that's why. Plugged back in. Anyways, moving on. Okay, so we're in that shelter, right? From there, we go across. You have to go around, and there's a shelter up there. Now, if I was good enough, I could have probably done all that and gone to that shelter instead, but I'm not. So, go to that shelter, right? Keep one so you can avoid the spiders. That should be around here, right? And then we go all the way up. Which is that does lead to the gate. Is there really no other shelter? The echo should be right there. There should be some other shelter. I know there's gotta be another shelter. But that should be where the echo is. Or the echo's somewhere. Is there really not another shelter? Really? Gosh. Well, we're gonna go through. Okay, maybe we'll have to get to that shelter. Just so we can get our karma up. So hopefully we can get through that in a cycle. Bring us up. Another one. So hopefully we can do all that in one. And then that'll get us to 3, hopefully. And there's the last shelter there, if not. And then from there, we're in shoreline. Can I look at shoreline, actually? Or no? Hi, Kibi. No, I don't want to see Sky Islands. Oh no, I can't see shoreline from here. Crazy. Cool, and it doesn't show me Precipice either. Okay. I might make one attempt, but first, let me go deal with my keycat. Yeah, meow. Okay, so, here's the plan, right? We gotta hit that shelter, right? Hopefully with that shelter we can get the echo. And with the echo, it'll max us all the way up again, so we can get through the gate. It'll spawn us back. We make the run for it without grabbing that shelter. Or maybe we might have to. I don't remember the closest shelter from there. Darn. Okay. We're gonna make an attempt. We're gonna see how it goes. If we can get to the other shelter, good. If not, it's fine. But if I need to stay here like 3 times or whatever, even if I get to that end shelter by the gate and then go to the echo, it'll still boost me up. But if you can at least get to that next closest shelter, even if we have to use the other 2 cycles, or if we have to use 3 cycles, that'll go to 9. We do moon with 1 or 2. That'll put us down to. From 9, it'll put us to 7. We have these 2. But the rest of it will be spent going through subterranean. Or to and through subterranean, I should say. We're gonna grab that. And we're running, bro. Oh gosh. You're also here. Cringe. What the heck? I can't even see where I am. What? Okay. New plan. I know the recording's just an hour 22 minutes. But no wonder I was lagging. The laptop's on 24. I'm a fool. But anyways, I'm tired. And I don't want to continue at the moment. So, getting through exterior is my achievement for the day. But I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Hopefully it's not too bad with the audio. I did my best. Sorry if it sounds a bit weird. Again, I'm on my mom's gaming laptop. This is the first recording on this one. So, trial and error. I mean, I haven't even posted any Rain World episodes yet at this point in time, so does it really matter? I don't know. But, I hope you all enjoyed the episode. I'm gonna take a break. By break, I mean I'm not playing more today because I'm tired, I'm scared, and I have fanfiction to read. Make sure to like and subscribe, perhaps. I'm pretty cool, I think. Inconsistent, maybe, but I try. And it makes me happy if you give a little like. But, see you all next time. Bye-bye.